Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a cheeseburger, so nice and easy. So first we're gonna start out with a quick sketch, and this will be shown in 2 speed, and then I will be right back to show you how to draw this line by line. Alright, so I have my sketch underneath, and let's go ahead and draw this, and I'll simplify the drawing a little bit to make it a little bit easier. So to begin, we're going to start out with the bun on the top. So I'm just going to draw a slight curve all the way around. It's going to be the bottom of the bun. And then we'll go up. And I guess my burger's got pretty thick bun on the top, so I'm going to go up quite a bit. You can make yours a little bit shorter if you like. Alright, and then from there, let's join the salad. And we just gotta come out to the side here. Just gotta draw some wavy lines. Kind of bracket it first. Alright, and then now we're gonna go all the way around. And then just give it some waviness to this. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same like this. Just kind of zigzag all the way around. And then from these corners here, just kind of draw them inwards. This will make it look like, you know, the salad's actually got some 3-dimension to it. And we can also add some lines inside just to make it a little bit more complicated. Okay, and then from there, let's draw in the tomatoes. So tomatoes gonna be right inside. So I'm just gonna draw one curve like this, and then just go up on the sides. I'm gonna draw one more starting here, curve, and then just go up. Okay, and then now for the cheese, from here, just draw two small curves coming down. And then from here, I'm gonna draw in the beef, and this one's gonna be a little bit wobblier. So just kind of bracket like this first, and then I'm gonna go all the way around. Okay, and then come back up here to finish up the cheese. I'm gonna dip it down, and then let's go back up. So same thing here, there's gonna be another slice, just come down, and then this one's gonna tuck right underneath this one. Okay, and then for some textures on the beef, just add some of these little curves. And then one more layer of lettuce on the bottom here. So just start out with a little bracket like this first. And then I'm just gonna draw a wavy line all the way around. Okay, and then for the bun itself on the bottom, draw two curves, a bracket, and then just close it off with a curve. And that's about it. And if you want to add in some sesame seeds on the top, so this one's easy, we just draw in these little sharp little egg shapes. Alright, so that is it for this very easy to draw cheeseburger. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.